Welcome back everyone. Today we are learning comparison operators in Python. So comparison operators can define something is equal, not equal, or less than or greater than. So booleans can also do that, but booleans only have logical operators. So logical operators are and or not statements. So booleans have that in a short form. So and comparison operators have operands of any type. that is the that is the difference between comparison operators and booleans. So these are the comparison operator course. So you can just read the description and read the course and read these commands, so you can just learn that. So now we are jumping to a Jupyter notebook. So here we have a Jupyter notebook. So here we have a Jupyter notebook. Now let's say we have 2. So if we run that, it's gonna say true. And if we say 2 equal to 4, it's gonna say false. So but remember to give double equal to, because if we give single equal to, it's gonna give an error. So what it does is it assign it as a variable and gives us an error. So that gives us a syntax error. So if we say 2 not equal to 4, so I show this command on the PPT page. So if we run that, it's gonna say true. So not equal to is for writing two unequal commands. So if we just say 2, so this is also true. Let's say 2 is less than 4. So this is also true and this is also true. So these are the true methods of doing comparison operators. So if we say 2 is greater than 4, it's gonna say false, because 4 is not greater than 2. 2 is not greater than 4. So if we say 500 equal to, so this is also a command that I actually teach. If we say 500 or 400, it's gonna say false. So if you copy that, paste that, write 500 here, write 400 here. So if you run that, it's gonna say true, because this command means the right number is, the left number is greater, or both numbers are equal. So this is the OR statement. So the situation is, so 500 is greater, so it's true. So one of these should be true. So if we say 500, so it's gonna say true, because equal to is not the situation. So if we say 3 not equal to 500, if we run that, it's gonna say true. So these were comparison operators, and we will meet at the next lecture.